grandpa is he used to drive a cool black Camaro in the 1980s and 90s with a personalized license plate that said Laos. My mom used to remember him tuning the dial as he searched through the radio stations, listening to morning talk radio or soft rock music. He was also a fan of Michael Jackson and had a cassette of his latest album, Bad. The next performance was inspired by a true story, as told by a former employee. Like any office workplace, employees arrived to work and gathered for casual morning conversation. As soon as they heard the rumbling of Dr. Vang's Camaro engine enter into the parking lot, someone would yell, "It's the boss! Everyone get back to work!" The employees quickly went back to their desks and the workday would begin. We hope you enjoy this very special family performance titled A Bad Day at the Workplace. Thank you.
K-Hits 102.7 FM. Fresno weather. Beautiful day today with sunny skies and a high of 76, low 59. Currently it's 74. And for Fresno traffic, no accidents have been reported and it is smooth sailing for those of you commuting on Highway 41. 1988 is shaping up to be an incredible year for music, like this one for Tony Bang, Michael Jackson's latest, Bad.
It's the boss. Everybody get back to work.
To Hawaii, where a group of dancers warmly greets a young Dr. Vang as he arrives at the Honolulu International Airport. He is given a flower laid by the dancers, a gesture of connection and respect. Of all the places that he could have landed in the U.S., Dr. Vang was fortunate that Hawaii would be his first American experience. Hawaii is known for welcoming newcomers with respect and dignity and celebrating ethnic diversity. Like Dr. Vang, some of the dancers performing tonight also began their American story in Hawaii.
Luhur kaulah.
You know this? That's why you'll always be around. You are the apple of my eye.
Hello.
You guys have back me up. Forever you'll stay in my heart.
I feel like this is just the beginning.
One love in a million years. And if I thought our love was ending, I'd find myself drowning in my own tears. Oh, you are the sunshine of my life. Yeah.
Good job, all right. So go exit left over.
Inside my bones, it goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home, flying up no ceiling with me in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. More like the way we rock it, so don't stop. It's under the lights, everything goes.
Good evening, graduates. These are actual Dr. Tony's words. I am Dr. Tony. Through all the challenges and shifts in my education and career, I learned 3 things that I want to leave with you today. Set an intention every day and look at the days ahead of you. Don't stop right here. Think about and envision where you want to be in 5 years, in 10 years. Remember that education is key to success. When you obtain it, no one can take that away from you. You carry a responsibility to yourself and your community to actualize your fullest potential and put your knowledge, skills, and your moral character into action. Congratulations. And now I have prepared a song for you, graduates. Crooked smile you had. We were kids without cares. We shared dreams. fear couldn't stop us. We were in no rush. I close my eyes and see you graduates by my side. I know as we change our hearts, rearrange to fall deeper in love. We're deeper in love. One last dance, one more kiss, one last song. Life goes on. Deeper in love. We're deeper in love. Love, love. We're deeper in love. No matter how far you go, I'll be down that road holding your hand with memories of when we used to stick our feet in the sand, stay up all night and watch the diamonds shoot across the sky. I close my eyes and I see you always by my side. I know that as we change our hearts, rearrange to fall deeper in love. We're deeper in love. One last dance, one more kiss, one last song. Life goes on. Deeper in love. We're deeper in love. Love, love, we're deeper in love. I'll always be by your side. 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 'Cause as we change, our hearts rearrange to fall deeper in love. Congratulations to the class of 2025, past and future graduates. Love, love. Everybody hands up. Love, love. We're deeper in love. Love, love, love. We're deeper in love. We're deeper in love. Thank you. Congratulations. All right, come on up. Come on up. Come on up. And we got a mic. You can just get on stage. You won't know what the song is. Just do your best. So when you go to dinner, make sure you're using the back doors, and that's where you'll enter to get your plates and get in the line for dinner.
เป็นอย่างนี้ตาเป็นขายแล้วตัวต่อขึ้นด้วยตัว
So, anybody recognize this contact? Come up here.
What you mean that? Yeah. Thank you. แล้วก็ชิ Oh.
Okay, this is Gary Vayne. It's my profile. So, Gary Vayne. It's about Gary Vayne. I'm not sure about that. I'm surprised nobody know Gary Vayne. This is 1, 2. Just 1, 2.
Turn it up. Testing. 1, 2. Hello. 1, 2. Testing.
太难了，分点钱了。
ว่ายืนสวยปันมายิ้มน้องใจไม่มีหาแต่น้อง ตอนน้องอยู่สายอยู่สายลีอยู่สาย Testing Hello 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 Testing Hello Hello Testing